We are going to use primer, base gels, omega gels, and of course this one we're going to using no wipe top coat to finish it. So we're going to use iHo omega gel to apply the initial set. The benefit of it is you don't have to flash cure this, and you don't have to hold the flashlight in your mouth or on the clamps or however, whatever, and you don't have to hold your tip. You can definitely let go of your tips. So I'm going to go ahead and apply primers on all of the nails. Okay. I'm excited for my niece nails. It's going to turn out so cute. So today we're going to do first part, which is apply the new set on. And tomorrow we're going to add some more crystals and more of 3D flowers. A lot of you asking, and a lot of you learning from a past shows. But if you couldn't come, this is also a great tutorial for you. And also I have 1,000 of other videos on our Facebooks, YouTube, Instagram, TikToks, and what else, Thread, and you can able to check them out. Okay, if you couldn't find them, don't hesitate, DM us. We were able to grab the link for you. So now this is when you apply the primer, it's gonna be air dry. You don't need to place it under the LED light. So now here, watch and pay attention. It's really close. I am going to apply base gels on all entire nails, all 10 nails. And also I'm going to apply the base gel on the well of the tip. So what it does, it's going to, two of this will have a good first layer of a bonding is base gel. And so then in later, it will adhere and hold on to omega gel. Bam. It's like it stay on weeks to come. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the base gels on the nails. And let's cure for 10 seconds. So if you feel like this video is going to be helpful, like either you are nail techs, beginner nail techs, or you are the nail tech is being here forever, make sure you save these videos and also you share this to your story, or you share it to, how do you save this on? There's a little on the bottoms of later, probably it's not now, but it's on the bottoms of the videos, I think on the bottom right. Okay, here for 10 seconds, place it under the LED lights all the way in, and make sure you save it. So then that's why this is gonna be your reference for you to apply from A to Z. I'm go ahead and apply all of the nails. It's the right hand done, now it's gonna be the left hand. I'm loving it. I'm so excited. Her nails gonna turn out so cute. Okay. So excited. It means a lot to Glitz, because when we was at the previous shows, one of a sweet clients, if you are here, because you came into the booth so quick and fast, and well, last year when Glitz just launched out with, no, it's a launch out with omega gels. She was able to take so many more clients in the last minutes without have to spend hours to do a lot of new